Hello everyone. Um, I will repair the central heating burner. Won't ignite or working. So this is the parts that I find out. If you can see this is the Selonoid. So that's the problem. So I will remove this. So the problem of this the Selonoid broken. So this is the terminal. So this is the Selonoid. This is the Selonoid bulb for the gas. So here is it. So I will show you. I will test. Okay. Okay. So I will test the bad one. So that's my multi-tester. So I select times 1. So that's the testers working. So I will test this. That I will test the rewind of this. So this is the old one. So it's not working. So this is the ground. So nothing. So I have a replacement now. If you can see, this is the replacement. This is the old one. I will test this, and then you can see that the 2 terminals working. So this is the old one. So nothing. So the problem of our central heating, the solenoid bulb for the gas supply going to the burner faulty. So this is the solenoid bulb. So if your central heating not working, but there's a gas supply, so the problem is this one or electrical. So I found out that the problem is the solenoid bulb. There's no reading at all, so the problem of this is the rewind. It's already gone. So I will install the new one. If you can see, so I will test. Maybe so this is the good one. So that's the bad one. This is the bad one. Okay. So now I will install this. There's a wire connection. There's a 220 supply if you turn, the thermostat. So I will put back in now. And then if you can see, there's a 2 screw by there. So here's the connector going to the bulb. So I will put back in. Okay. Okay. So there's a 2 screw. There's a 2 screw by here. So you put back the screw, one on the bottom, one on the top. So here is it. So I will test after. So I will tighten this. Okay, it's tight now. Maximum. Minimum. Oh, maximum. So I'm on maximum now. So if you can see, there's a light. There's a light in the burner. So I will try to have a look. I will try to. I will switch on now. Wow. So you can hear or you can see that the burner is working now. See? So that's the way you fix if the burner is not working. So either electrical or the Selonoid bulb gas supply. So here is it. So it's working now. So the problem of this is a Selonoid bulb to the gas supply. So where is it? So that's the Selonoid looks like Selonoid bulb. So is it? So the problem is the rewind of this is damaged. So that's why there's no electrical magnetic produce if the 220 volts will come in on this 2 terminal. So that's it. that's the way to fix a burner of your central heating not working. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Any question, drop me message so I can help you how to trouble or fix your gadget appliances or electronic parts, electronic appliances. Thank you very much.